The Tonga Tabu Tahiti Flycatcher, a small and agile bird, once fluttered through the forests of the Pacific Islands, catching insects with incredible speed. Feeding primarily on flying insects, this quick and agile hunter played a vital role in controlling insect populations in its forest home. With dark plumage that provided camouflage, the flycatcher was both an efficient predator and well adapted to its environment, hunting insects with precision. But in the 19th century, deforestation and the introduction of invasive species like rats led to the rapid decline of this unique bird. By the late 1800s, the Tonga Tabu Tahiti flycatcher was gone, yet another victim of human impact on delicate island ecosystems.